Good evening, excuse me, good afternoon, good afternoon. This is the Wealth Portal, and I am the CEO, Dwayne Mooney. And we're about to have some fun. Getting ready to go into another room. I think it'll be a better connection. And I am the CEO. And the Wealth Portal is a success club slash coaching company. We specialize in passive investing and self-improvement because we believe you must grow with your money. So as I come into the room, how are you? Waiting on some other people to get online. How are you, Linda?
I'm okay. How are you today, dear Dwayne?
This is Dwayne. You had a 50-50 chance. But
Pardon me for that mishap. I'm sorry.
it happens quite frequently.
I know.
Yes. So let me I'm just waiting on Daryl to come on where he is. But that doesn't stop the show. Let me let you know what we're doing. Today is going to be about PAMM accounts and the bots, the Forex bots. Linda, what are you doing? What do you have going on with
I
us?
I don't have anything but trade like crazy at this time.
Really? That's it?
That's it.
That's it?
Not yeah, that's
Yeah.
it.
I call you a Rudy Poop. You're a Rudy Poop.
I
You're a Rudy
am a
Poop.
Rudy Poop.
Yeah.
Well, my banking Juno it's going through some turbulence. Train.
Okay.
Quiet, please, down a little bit. I'm on my Zoom.
Huh?
It was just Daryl and his family.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Home-based business sometimes be like that.
Yeah.
How is everyone?
Daryl,
Wonderful in the neighborhood.
Was that Linda talking?
Yes, sir.
yes. So we have Maisha on the line too. Maisha, are you available to do anything?
No, I'm not.
Ugh, just a waste of talent. Okay.
Well, first of all, I'm in Houston. We just had this hurricane, so I don't have enough power.
Oh, that's right. Oh, are you okay?
I am.
Good. That's right.
Run me some money. Run me money. I'm just kidding. I'm just
You,
kidding.
you said it's been tore up. I got out just in time.
Yeah, you did.
Um, so only reason why I mentioned Maisha, because Maisha's in a few things. I wanted to know how your bots were doing, but you don't have any electricity, so you don't know. Um, also, the PAM accounts. This is what we want to get to. I want to show you one of the PAM accounts I'm doing. A lot of people, and this is just for people who are already with Lirunex. PAM accounts are managed accounts that you can do that are traded for you. You see, I have up here. This out the way. See if I can see it. Nope, I gotta get into it. And that is X. We always tell people that with the PAM accounts, we want them to use them like we used to use the third-party platforms. Get into multiple PAM accounts because that's where the money is. And why we do that is because we don't know. What's my other Lord next? Which one is this? Oh, that's the trader. Because we don't know um, how they're going to be affected toward when you can take money out, when you can't take money out. Are they going to be in trades, out of trades? So you want to get into multiple. I have 3 of them with Lirunex.
Now, you know Lirunex is closed right now for the U.S.
Yes, yes, but the whole point is this is for people who are in Lirunex already. I didn't finish that. Thanks for adding that because I didn't finish that sentence. Because I have, it's about 20 people who are signed up. They just haven't invested yet.
Yes, which was a fantastic move.
Yeah. So um, this is for people who are already in Lirunex. We're going to have other uh, accounts for people. We're working on.
In fact, Linda, did you ever sign up with Lirunex?
No, I heard of it.
Okay.
Oh, so but we have another broker, Daryl, that I have to sign up with that this third one is with. This third account, this Gold Pips FX, he's with. Now I've been with him since Monday. So he trades in the morning because he's in uh Colombia. It's a brother, he trades in the morning and early morning. And I started with $201 and I'm already up $10 and something. Last month he did 87%. He's up about 15% already this month. And what I like about him is his minimum is only $200. And Daryl, it'll be $200 with the other broker as well. Right? I'm gonna sign up with them today because they have other PAMM accounts as well. It starts with the M. I'll let you know the information after I sign up.
That's awesome. You're going to be going to Plexi after this?
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
So I just wanted to show that this one is, I've been in for a while, about a couple of months. Started at 200. It's 289 balance. They're in trades right now. So the equity is 222. This one I had to get out of because they weren't really producing vision to reality. And the interesting thing is all three of them are traded by Black people, which is not to say that's the only thing that we do. Also, the people who are in Forex, what's it, accelerated? What is it called, Daryl? Accelerated. Can you show that account,
Freedom
Daryl?
Freedom
Accelerator.
Accelerator.
Can you show Freedom Accelerator?
Who, I?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sure.
I want to see because somebody just said they wasn't making no trades.
Oh, really?
I put them in the two of them, said it wasn't no trades. So I want to see what's going on overall. Isn't Lirunex with the L? Let's see. I can't remember.
Wasn't showing up on mine.
Yeah, there. I can't.
It's Luminex. Lirunex. I'm looking for Luminex.
I can't. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, you can, because I can. This is a Lirunex account with Freedom.
We saw it at the back to the we saw it right there. Stay right there, Joe. Realized 143. So he's down in trades. You can go to action on the right. I think that's where you can see the trades.
So the minimum to get in this one is $1,000?
500.
No, 500.
Oh, okay.
June 9th. So made 3 cents, 3 cents. So yours just hasn't started trading yet, Maisha. It'll probably start trading tomorrow.
How long has she been signed up?
Since yesterday.
Oh, yes, right. Okay. Yeah, she's just not in trade yet.
Okay. So that's doing pretty good.
Yeah, but Linda, has Dwayne stated this account right now, they closed to the US for now, and the trader, they just had a meeting yesterday to link up with another broker. They have a broker that Lirunex is referring all their US customers to that's on automatic, but they just had a meeting with another broker where they'll make more money. So they're waiting to see what the answer is, what the final result is to the meeting they had. So in other words, we don't have access to the account for the Freedom Accelerator right now, but it will be coming soon. But we do, because we don't have access to Lirunex. However, those who are with Lirunex can already, they can pick Freedom Accelerator or even other companies. But we do have another one that's available that trades can be picked right now. So we're going to go to that soon. We're going, Dwayne.
Okay.
You can go to it.
Okay. Okay, the other company that we use, that we were using even before we got with no, with Dwayne, he's been with Lirunex pretty long, but Plexytrade's parent company who we were with was LQD. What was it?
FX.
FX. And they had been around for 12 years, where Lirunex has been around 9 years. But the other company, LQDFX, hooked up with another company right now, and that's Plexytrade. So LQ hooked up with Plexytrade, they partnered. So all of the information from them crossed over into Plexytrade. Okay, great. So instead of mine, out of here, I want to go Winston's if I can. If I got him here. May not have him here. No, I don't. See what else has. Yeah, Almas has had some investment going on here in his PAMM. See how he has 564, Dwayne, his account balance?
Mm-hmm.
Equity 563. Deposits 553, withdrawals. Where's all the data I'm looking for?
You have to go to PAMM. You have to go to, yeah. I believe that's what you do.
I'm looking for the data. Okay, here's data on the cover here. Looking for the data though. Trading data, maybe? Okay. It's this one?
I don't know, bro.
Account balance.
Since they changed, let me click those 3 dots at the end on the right.
Change password.
View trades. It said view trades.
Huh? What did you say, Dwayne?
It said view trades. The last drop box.
You said here?
Yeah, click it. See view trades at the bottom?
View trade. Oh, that's what you said. I thought you said something else. Okay. These are the trades.
Mm-hmm.
This is happening right now. Open trades right now, Dwayne.
Mm-hmm.
But these are accounts that are in the Plexytrade. And this is a broker also like Lirunex, where you're able to choose accounts. Like we showed. Here, I believe that was, when we go to PAMM accounts. We choose here, and PAMM accounts show. Here, you see, these are the account numbers, right? Then you have their gains that they've had. Then you have their balance right now of all the balance of their account, the equity. Then the open profit and loss. This is the equity is between the profit and loss because they are being traded right now. They're trading. So this equity is lower than the balance because trades are being made. And this is what's being used. And you see the monthly average, they have 34.77%. Look inside. Minimum deposit, $500. They take a performance fee of 25%. The name of them is low risk consistent gains 1530. And they're still doing quite well. To be frank, they've been doing well for a long time now. So the maximum drawdown is 38%. Monthly average, 34% profits right now. Profit that they've made since they've been around is $49,182. You view the graph. They have their graph here back there. That's how they're doing. So they're a very successful product is why they're on the front page. So all of these, like for example, when the price goes lower, you can put some money in. This one is 2,000 minimum, right? Performance fee, they take 30 to give you 70. Okay, but you have private master again, right? Here you go. They have a few accounts, but as you see, they have a few accounts with different prices. This one is $100. 30% performance fee, they take 30, they give you 70. Their performance fee is meaning because they're doing the trades. But look, minimum $100. Let's see what they're averaging 26% a month.
Bill, did you check with them yesterday? I'll do it today if you haven't.
No, I did not.
Okay.
I did not. I thought you were. You mean sending them to how do you get with them? But it's right here, right?
You see where it says enter private code?
Enter private code. Create a new PAMM account.
That's the only way you can get in.
Where do you see in the private code? Right here.
Right there. Yeah.
Right here. Oh, wow. Okay. So you got to get a private code from them. But look, that's only $100 minimum. They've got $100. Huh?
I said, that's great.
Yeah. And with this private master, that's how where they're doing is this one's $100, right? But the other one I showed you, why the same one keep coming up? Wait a minute. Wow. Something changed? Wait a minute. Seems like I'm clicking different ones. Well, maybe those two. Okay, that's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, this one's 100. This one's 1,000. See?
Yeah, I see.
Say 25,000 minimum. Then this top one is 100. So they have 2 of them that are 100. 2 of them that are 100 minimum and 1 that is 1,000 minimum. But all of these, basically, they're on the front page, so they're winning, if not most of them. Now, we teach you how to read your back office. We have videos on that. We charge for $50 an hour just for consultations now when we're taking people through and walking people through because it's taking so much of our time to show people what's going on. There are videos available, but people aren't able to watch the videos. Then they have to get the coaching from us, and we charge $50 an hour to take you through it. However, it's doable for you. You can easily master it because you do the same thing over and over. The trader is trading for you, and all you're doing is attaching your account to their trading account. They don't control your money at all. All you're doing is riding their backs on the trades, and the broker, Plexytrade, does the split of the profit. They are the broker, you are the investor, the account is the trader. You are the investor. You invest your money. The broker, Plexytrade, splits the money. Let's say it's 25 or 35 or 30% that they take as a performance fee, the trader. The broker splits all that up, and your profit, their profit, and the trader profits, the broker profit, and your profit. The broker splits all that up. That's why they have all these companies, these people that are trading, which most of them, if not all of them, are using robots themselves. And the broker is making the deal, and they've been around 12 years. So they do business, and you have people, they don't want bots, right? We love bots, but you have some people don't even want a bot themselves. They will put up $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 even in these accounts to make their 20% a month, their 10% a month, their monthly profits that are compounded if you leave the money in there. But most of them, when they are not trading, you have access to your money. Even some of them, when they are trading, you have access to your money, but most of them, they have to not be trading, and you can go on and get your money. Some of them, like we were talking about Freedom Accelerator, they don't trade on Sundays, or you can get your money on Sundays. You have access to your money on Sundays. So they all have different things that they do, but the main thing is you have control of your money. Nobody has control of your money but you and the broker. The trader does not. And you see there's real trading going on, and this is the key. Before I turn this back to Dwayne, this is key. Psychology. When they are trading, because they're doing real trading, means they do not win all the time. There's no real trader wins all the time. You have to lose sometimes. For example, last week, a company may not have made money. They may have broke even. They may have even lost. But for the month, they made 20%. So you look at what they do in a month instead of weekly. You look at monthly what they're doing. That's how you see if they're winning. And sometimes you'll have a trader who will lose in a month. In a month trading, then they'll lose like January to December. 2 months they may have lost, but 10 months they may have won. So that means in a year's time, they still profited. They still made more money. They still won. And I'm saying that to say, in investing, even when you lose, you win. Now, there are other companies that lose, and they are on the back. They're way on the back. That's why they're not on the front page. They lose. Give you an example. They lose. When they're way on the back here, that means people are not even paying attention to them. They may have been winning, then they started losing. These numbers, 33% gain, 16, let's see what's going on here, what they looking like. 250 minutes. They had what? 6.3590. PAMM Master restricts. See, this PAMM Master restricts withdrawals during open trades. Okay. They're not doing bad. But anyway, as you go further back, you'll actually see companies that are they're just not doing anything. They're just stuck because they were like this one here, zeros, balance. They're just done. They're done. They were Freedom Accelerator was over there at one time, I guess. It stopped being over there. And that may have been another name because they have FX in front of theirs. You have 00 people who are not trading. So you have to pick, even when they're on the front page, you choose to your budget, what makes sense with you, what makes sense with your budget. And also they have affiliate program. You have partners. You're an affiliate program. You have a link. You're able to send your link out to people. And remember also you're able to trade with your robots with the Plexytrade too. Not only do they have PAMM accounts, but they also have robots. So the first level, you make 15% off of their profits. I signed somebody, Dwayne up, he is my first level. His profits, I make 15% because I signed him up. Dwayne signs Linda up. That's my second level, his first level. I make 5% off of her because she's my second level. Dwayne, she's his first level. He makes 15%. So the affiliate program is great. The person who makes the robot, Brad, he made $180,000 alone just off the affiliate program because he brings it to the PAMM accounts and the people he brings into the robots. All that profit that he makes, $180,000 just off the affiliate program itself. And we're not talking about the profits you're making off your own PAMM accounts and off of your robots, you trading yourself. So it's really, really powerful. The PAMM accounts is really powerful financial entity. It's free to sign up with the broker. The only cost you have is when you invest your money. That's your money that you invest. And then once you put it in, you are able to start making profit pretty much the next day or the next few days. You deposit here, you click that, you deposit your funds over here. Important note, you select here your crypto. They take USDT tether, USDT tether, and they also take Bitcoin too. Here, Plexytrade. Lirunex just takes USDT, but Plexytrade takes all of these coins: Bitcoin, Cardano, Ether, Litecoin, Ripple, USDT, which is powerful. You click here, create the address. Let's say it's Bitcoin. You hear this address here, you copy this, you put this in your external wallet, whether that be Cash App or whether it be your, whatever your external wallet is, Kraken, crypto.com, Atomic Wallet, wherever it is, you put that in your external wallet, that address, and you send that $100, that $250, that $500, that $1,000, and then you send it, and it will come into your account. You will see it in your account, in your wallet. You will see it. And that's when you will see it right here. You see where it says deposit? You will see your money right there. Your money will show. Then you start transferring internally, and that's when you want to go back to your profile too. You put all your profile information in. Remember, this is your back office and your account. Dwayne, where is the let me go back to dashboard. Where's the internal transfers back here? You got
Go
the
to trading.
platform,
Go to trading.
hit the PAMM account. You got the trading. You got the platforms,
And hit
VPS.
platforms. Hit platforms. The top one. The top one. The top one.
Top one here, you got the platforms.
Nope. Go back to dashboard.
Internal transfer.
You go to deposit in the
Deposit.
program
Yeah.
at the bottom. Nope. Go back to dashboard. There it is right there. That was it. That was it.
What did I hit? What do you mean?
Deposit.
You scroll down?
You hit deposit.
Okay, hit deposit.
Internal transfer to the left.
Okay, right here. Right here. Okay, right here. You see right here. You see deposit, withdrawal, internal transfer. And you internal transfer right here. And once you sign up your account, you have your wallet, right? Your money will be in your wallet. Let's say you invested 1,000 to show up there. And it's real simple. It'll show up there. And you have your wallet. You put your money in your wallet here. Then you transfer it to your trading account. And you have signed up for your account. So now you can pick whatever account. Let's say this one was picked. Right? The blue is around that one. You put the money there. Let's say it's 1,000 up here. You want to transfer 1,000. You put the 1,000 in here. Or let's say you want to transfer 500, and you transferred 500 and to go in there. Then you switch it over here to other 500 and put the 500 as the rest, and put that 500 in here. Put it in here. Since this blue square is around, you transfer it, and it will show up in there, and it'll start trading. So it's really, really simple. You control it. It's you. It's your back office. Nobody controls your back office but you. It's really become our flagship, two of our flagships, the PAMM accounts with the bots, because they're both working in Forex market, and we're very happy about them. Dwayne, anything you wanted to add about the PAMM accounts?
Yeah. That second one he has. Scroll up.
Scroll down.
Scroll down. The live account.
Yeah.
That's his the other one.
Gold.
That's his bot account. Click in there because that's the next thing we're going to talk about. Click into
I'll
that.
show you about if you need me to.
Huh?
That's his PAMM account. Yeah, brother.
Can you click into the
Click it.
that one? Yeah.
Okay.
I guess go to
Yeah, since we don't have his bot info.
no. Okay. I just wanted to see the numbers.
Yeah.
Go
The
back.
numbers start coming up over there.
Go to trading.
This one here.
Yeah. Go to the end.
Here.
Yeah. Go to view trades. Now those are the trades he's in. Excuse me.
And that's
On
for the
his
bots.
bots. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
And as you can see, if you look at the well, you can't tell. 0.01, you see the 0.01. Now you see the top one, he's got that at high risk, the Euro US trade. But the rest of them are in 0.01, which is good. But he's up. He's up $38
Yep.
now. And $8 drawdown. And he's got it at high risk. I'm telling him to open up another account at low risk, but he's doing well because he's doing the right thing. You can do high risk with low money, but he should have another account that's at a low to mid risk, but it's doing pretty good. So I'm going to show you the bots now. So I just want them to see that he's got both uh, accounts up. I mean, not accounts. He's got both bots working. You can tell because he's got the Euro US, the Australian US, and the British Pound US. So he's working both bots, and I'm gonna demonstrate that on the next piece. So thank you, Daryl.
You want the screen, brother?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, that looks good, man. So he's doing
Yeah.
well with $500.
yep,
He's doing very well. Already in $38 profit. What was this? This was
exactly,
opened up like 3 days ago.
exactly.
That's pretty good.
This is a high risk account that's been going on for a while. This account started at $10,000. It is now at 13,000. The drawdown here is at 2,700, which will be it was at 3,000 something, but it's going down, and it'll continue to go down. Remember, this is high risk, so you see big low risk numbers, which is not really a lot for. It's only like 20%, and that's what you expect, 20 or 30% on a high risk account to have drawdown. But you expect that. And this is dealing with the hedgehog bot, which is a scalper bot. I mean, excuse me, which is a hedge bot. So to get you in trades, if you look at the bottom, buy and sell positions on the same pair at the same time. That's what we really love about this bot. And it'll continue to make money. And we love it. This is a great bot. It trades the Australian US and the Australian Canada. And I have the Euro British Pound too. But it's recommended just the Australian US and the Australian Canada. And also it's recommended to do it at lower risk, but this is a demo account. And I'm just playing with it, see how much you can actually take. And it's doing pretty good. So that's the hedge bot. And then we have pull up the other one. This is the Robo Scalper. And this one is scalps, takes minimum trades. I mean, a lot of trades, but takes, small amount trades. And this one is up. This was at 10,000 as well. It's at high risk. And this is about going on for about a month. And it's made $2,484. And its drawdown is 1827, which is going down as well. So the bots are doing good. They're maintaining, really making good money, and we're just having fun with it. What I like about it, because you have all this data that comes up, and you also have the news. What makes these bots do so well is that this news that comes out, it doesn't trade or it doesn't get you in another trade when the news is out, only after the news, which makes a high risk where any other bot the account would have been blown. Because of this news factor that's built into the system, a high risk can maintain. But we don't suggest a high risk unless you have another low risk to mid risk account going. And you put less money, but remember, this is a demo account. You shouldn't do a high risk, no more than $1,000, right? Low to mid risk, you can have it at 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. You'll make constant money. Low risk made 20% last month. So it's high risk can do anywhere from 30 to 40% a month. So These are great, 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 great bots. I suggest them. The cost for them is $997. Uh, it's you get the hedge bot for $997, and then the RoboScalper bot comes with it. I have a lot of history with the RoboScalper because it was like a bot I had before, which is the Prosperity bot, which we still have that. And it's the Prosperity bot on steroids because the Prosperity bot doesn't have the defense trading that this one has. This one actually has not only the news, it gives you the data, but it also has stop loss, trailing stop. It just has so much going on with the bot. It's just incredible. Best bots I've seen out there. And you can set it and leave it. If you're going to have it at high level, you're going to have to watch it like this. But set it and leave it, and to low risk to mid risk, and you will make money. You will make money. And we're just having fun. And you can purchase that. Just get with us. You'll see the link in the wealth portal, and it'll be installed for you. And you'll get a free coaching session by Daryl or I on just how to work it. But the owner will set it up for you, or one of us will set it up for you. But you'll get a free coaching session when you purchase the bot, just so you know how it operates beyond the basics. So we're having a lot of fun with these two bots. It's our flagship product. And if Daryl can pull up his bot, I want to see what it's doing. Because yours is extreme high risk. I want to see what it's doing now. Is he still there? Must not be there. Okay. So yeah, but other than that, the bots are great. And what I wanted to show, so moving from the bots is $997 one
You
time.
didn't see my screen, Dwayne?
Oh, yeah, I can see your screen now.
Okay. Man, remember it was at 10,000?
Yeah,
See that?
it's not up. Your screen's not up.
You don't see it? It's okay. I must got it. Go back in. Okay.
Yeah, it's down to 7,000 now.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I don't know if it's, can you, it's made, yes, I see your Australian Canada has made a trade. That's the third window at the top.
So the 7,000 is what you made on it?
No, he's made 6,000. It started at a 20,000 account. He's made 6,182. The 7,028 is the drawdown.
Help me to understand the drawdown. What is that?
That
What's
means he's in trades. He's
Oh,
in
okay.
trades. He's in trades. Those are all trades that he's in that haven't closed yet. Remember, this is a high risk account. He has 6 windows open, and it's still maintaining. That's what I'm saying. It's incredible. Open that Australian Canada, the third window. See that dot? That's just a trade it just got in. See that white circle at the bottom? The white circle. That's a trade. Right there. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's a trade. So it just looks like we got into a sell trade. Yeah, you can see it at the bottom. That's the last trade. That's down $44. If you go to the left, that's how you know. Australia, Canada. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. Okay. And but that's doing pretty good. So click the 4 boxes. Yeah, okay. So this one, he has a combination. It's a combination using the Robo Scalper and the Hedgehog on the
The
same account.
advanced strategy, y'all.
Say that again, Daryl.
I said this is an advanced strategy.
Yes, yes. Definitely.
But that just shows you the flexibility that you have with the bot.
Yeah. And what's good about the bots is that you have total control. You can change the settings. You can have it low risk, mid risk, mid risk, mid risk, high risk, high risk, high risk, high risk. It's like however you want to set it up. But you can,
If we have, and this is all perspective too and perception, but if we have a number one money-making product that can make you the most money just because of what it is this one right here.
oh, we say that. I said that earlier. It's our flagship.
Okay,
It's, it's our flagship. It's our number one product.
yeah, this
And,
Is
and
this
what,
the company by
this is the
guy?
Godzilla. This is the King Kong here. I'm sorry, what was that question?
Is this the company that I saw his
Yes, the
yeah,
video.
yeah,
Yes, same guy, Brad. Yes.
Brad. Yeah, okay. Okay.
yeah, what we do with this, why it's our flagship is because as I just said, you can change the settings, you can control it when you really get familiar with it, the things that you can do. We actually have a video called the advanced system for making more profits with the Forex bots, that once you really learn how it works, it's more technical than you're not trading. It's more technical. You should understand the market a little bit. You can go to babypips.com and take the Forex school training, and just so you can pick up on terminology and how things work. But it's really technical. Just knowing how to set everything up, knowing how to put up a window, knowing how to put it on the 15-minute system, knowing how to change the settings. But the thing is, you control when you take money out, you control everything about these bots. It's your bots forever. Any upgrades that come through the system, Brad will send them to you. So because he's always making them better and better and better. We've already had 2 upgrades in the last couple of months. So they are just superior bots. We have somebody, the owner, who works on them constantly to make them better. So we're very happy. And remember, it's $997, but you get a free bot with it, which is the Robo Scalper bot. The Hedgehog is the bot that's $997, but it's throwing in the Robo Scalper, and you can pick a coin on which bot is better. They both work. They just do 2 different things. Remember, the Hedgehog bot, it hedges. That means it gets you in a buy and sell trade at the same time. And the Robo Scalper scalps. It scalps. So that's what's happening with that. Now, what I wanted to move on, I want to show you real quick, and it's continuing to go down, 68. And actually, it went down even more earlier. It went down to 0.6724. So, and this is just a retraction. It's going to continue to come down, which is great. So, like I said, all these will be in profit probably by Thursday, or no later than Monday.
And one of the things that when Dwayne said earlier about how this is holding real strong, because this drawdown, it literally went up to $16,000. And you talked about on a $26,000 account. Remember where
It's went up to what, Darryl?
16,000.
16,000. Okay. Wow.
This went up to 16,000 at its high. Okay. And the reason I say that, because this is a test, a beta test we're doing on high risk. This is not for everybody. This is in advance, because we want to see how it will hold if it can take the drawdown. The drawdown is like this investment is $26,000, right? So while they're trading, $6,000 is being used. That's the drawdown. That's the drawdown where it's losing.
Coming by. Thank you.
If this drew down, now the account would be wiped out if this went or draw down to 26,182 in 14. If it went down, the account would be wiped out, and it would drop to zero. You see, that's why the further this way this is from the drawdown, the lower the risk, the higher it is closer to the balance rather, the higher the drawdown, the more risky. The less the drawdown, the less risky. So right now, when we're saying it's holding on because it went up to 16,000, now it reversed 10,000, now it's back to 6,000, and we're watching to see if it gets, and it eventually will, the way it's looking, it will get back to being in profit. And it will switch back to zero, back to profit and above. And that's when we'll start making money again. But that'll be a great thing if that switches all the way from that, because as intense as it is on the drawdown, is as intense it will be in the profits. So that's just a little bit of education. Dwayne?
Right?
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm here. So yeah, what I want to do is real quick, we got a few more minutes. So that's that. I want to get to the third level is we want to talk about the third-party platforms. One platform is a new one. What's the name of it? I can't think of the name of it.
Pavilio?
Yeah, Pavilio,
Polivier?
Pavier.
Polivier?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get the spelling right. See if I can bring it up. Now, I use TRX. So if I click this one, you can see. So I'm already at $13 balance. Profit, earned $6 so far. And I've been in this, they do arbitrage trading. And I've been in this for probably no more than a week. And I'm already at $6 earned. The rest of it is from the downline. But it's a real good program because they trade arbitrage, and the way they have it set up is they can trade through them, or you can set it up yourself, and where you can get API keys with different cryptocurrency brokers like Binance US, and put a little money in each, like about 4 or 5 of them, so they can pull the money from there and do the arbitrage trading. If you understand arbitrage trading, it's catching the price of Bitcoin at different prices or any crypto at different prices. And it'll buy and sell one at the same time. Say, for instance, say for TRC, it's, say if it's $50, it can be $50 to buy, but $52 to sell in different countries. In Japan, it may be $52. In US, it may be $50. So you'll sell the $52 and you'll buy the $50. So that'll be a $2 difference that you'll make. And that's what arbitrage is. And when you have a bot that searches around the world for those different prices. This is what this does. So what we're doing is just letting them do it for us until we have enough money where we can put in different accounts and we'll do it. I mean, we'll control it and let them do the trading. But we'll control the accounts. And this is it's marvelous. It's easy to work. Here's the dashboard here, and just pick an exchange that you want to do over here. Say if it's choose tether to currency, from currency. Oh, that's going from here. So that's if I want to exchange. I like that. If you want to exchange your currency, you can do it right in here. But if you want to launch, see, I'm trying to get to it. Yeah, you can do these. This is how you launch it. You can do a test $50. I suggest here at least $100 payment for 30 to 90 days. You can. I'm doing the 30-day one. You just click continue, and you secure what they take Bitcoin, TRX. Say if I want to do Bitcoin, did $100. If I want to do 100, click continue. And just take the information and put it in your piece, put it on your outside what is it called, wallet, and get it in here. And the key is you want to do it at $100. Don't do it at 120, 150. You got to put in what is asked. It says 100. No, it says minimum. You actually put it more. Put in 500. It's just the minimum. Shouldn't do. So you can actually change that and put in 500 if you want to, up to 1,000. Max is 1,000. So that's good. So, and it tells you how much you're gonna make. If I do 100, you're gonna make 130 calculation within 30 days, right? So you're gonna make 30%. You can't beat it. It's easy money, you know?
Mhm. This is sort of like
And you get your
trading
principal
crazy.
back. So this is an awesome company. So I suggest
Somebody
anybody.
talking, Dwayne?
It was me.
Okay, what is it, Linda?
I said this is a sort of like trade like crazy.
That's an interesting context. I don't
No?
know. I wouldn't say it's like trade like crazy. Trade like crazy is actually doing the trading for you. Kind of.
They're doing the trading for you too, Daryl.
So kind of, sort of in that way, yeah. What
So it's a
do you
lot
think
like
is the difference, Dwayne?
Yeah, I thought it looked like trade like crazy.
it's
I
a
mean,
lot
the way
like
it
trade.
operates.
It's a lot like
Okay,
trade like crazy.
okay.
It's a third-party platform. The difference is it has another element to it where you have, and what Daryl was alluding to, you have the opportunity to put the money in your own broker accounts and they do trading. I suggest that when you're up to $10,000, $5,000, $10,000, because you have enough money to put in different accounts, and then you control the money. Here, what we're doing is a lot like trade like crazy because they're doing the trading. Exactly, and they're trading cryptocurrency.
Mm-hmm.
And so in that sense, you're right on point. And the way you put your money in, slightly different, but I like them both. It's just the minimum with Trade Like Crazy is $20. And the difference is you make so much money with Trade Like Crazy. In other words, I think you make, what is it, three times as much. So if you put in $50, you're going to make $150 back. So that means you make $100. This is different because you get your principal back too. So you're actually making more money with this than trade like crazy. However, you can get in with trade like crazy for $20. So they work different and they're both prosperous. It's just different. So we like
How long has this one been around?
This is a fairly new one. It's a lot of information on the net. In fact, it's owned by a Indian woman. No, I don't think she's Indian. Let me Polivera. Let's go to. She's not. It's fairly new though, but people believe it has a lot of legs to it because the lady's pretty transparent. People are loving it. But again, the way we work these things, here she is, right here. I don't know if she's being interviewed. See, Daryl, I think he has it going on in the, oh, look at this.
I'm listening.
Let me get the sound.
The next one I will have is tomorrow, and I will be presenting with Valeria Carboni, and she's the founder, CEO, and she's also the bot creator. So that really impressed me because she really knows what she's talking about. She's not a marketing director. She's not the marketing person or the good looks in front of the company. She's actually the software engineer. So she knows her stuff, and she can get real geeky and real technical about the software and how it works. But she'll be on the call, and depending on when you're listening to this, the call might already happen. You can definitely watch the replay on that because most likely I will be recording that and uploading it and sharing that with you. All right. So very exciting stuff. And as you can see here, another proof. Actually, I'm going to show you this proof here. It's not me that's getting a lot of deposit. These are all our members, and I can only fit this much in this page for you to see. But there's also another Telegram chat group that you can go there and talk to members that are super happy with what's going on. All right. So here's my other deposits here. 157. Remember I told you I withdrawal yesterday. So it's right here. And it's like a daily withdrawal here, about $150. And then I have another wallet also for commissions. All right. So let's go back to my back office and let's do some withdrawing, right? So you click on withdrawals.
So I'm not
and what do I have in Bitcoin? I have.
But I was just fascinated.
I'll pull it up and look at it later.
On myself, but I'm like, you know.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's
welcome. Thank you for showing up here. It's why we can continue class every month. Oh, and more people are showing up.
But that's interesting. So I'm gonna do some more research on that. I didn't know that video was up, but it's just showing you how real it is. I mean, that's what I like about it. That's what we like about it. But again,
I like it when it's people behind it, not just a trading bot.
Exactly. And even though it's real, it's still a third-party platform the way we're doing it. So we still make sure that we are being very cognizant of our third-party platform rules that we follow. And the rules that we follow is that don't, put money up that you can't afford to lose, and also get your principal out ASAP. and start taking money out. And as you're building it, always taking money out at the same time. Because, and why we do that, even though it doesn't matter how real it is, what happens is once these programs get huge, sometimes governments come in and stop them. And other times they just get overwhelmed because they're putting out so much money on the affiliate side, they can't keep up with what the trading is doing. So so there's different things that can happen because you're not controlling the money. So make sure you're in profit ASAP as soon as possible, that you get your principal out, and then you're happy and not tripping. We concentrate on we control our money programs, but we definitely use these platforms for cash flow, and we're having a lot of fun. And the ones we're within, Trade Like Crazy, Go Bets, and now this one, we call it the Triple Treat. But all three of them are very strong. Don't look like any of them are going anywhere soon. But at the same time, we are cognizant that something can happen. So we're doing defense strategy trading because, defense strategy business with them because we don't know what's going to happen. And we're aware of that. So they're like a slot machine. Even though we picked 3 good programs that pay well. So, and we have a 4th one coming. So, we love it. We like
reiterated about what Dwayne is talking about here, because he's literally talking about 2 different systems. PAMM accounts. He's talking about the bots work different from the PAMM accounts. Then we're talking about the third-party platforms work differently. So each of them have their own psychology. So you have to know that the third-party programs are high risk of their own. It's like when in the bots, when you raise your settings up, the risk becomes higher. Well, it's much like the PAMM accounts have that, not PAMM accounts, but the third-party risk accounts have their own risk. So you have to understand what you're working with. And we have to re-emphasize. You're going into not to put in money that you're afraid to lose, but also invest money that you're prepared to win. Okay, because you have the yin and yang. You can win and you can lose. So you look at your risk, you look at the company. We've done the research. You do your own research. You feel comfortable with it. Like, for example, Trade Like Crazy has been running for what, 10, 11 months now? Smooth. Profits being made. Here's a new company that has an extra added security piece to it. Powerful. Money being made. The Go Bets. Money being made. I mean, these third-party programs make money, but you have to be ready to be pulling money out once it reaches a certain number that you want. Unless you come in with a lot of money. You come in with $1,000, you can immediately start taking money out. But most people have to develop their investment to $500 to $1,000, enough that they have where they're making enough money to actually pull money out. So once you get to that point, let's say you come in for 100, keep putting in 100 every other week or something. Build that account up till you get to the point where you can pull out money at least once a week. At least once a week, you're pulling money out. That's how you beat the third-party systems, by withdrawing money, getting to your profit. Once you've got your profit back, now you start reinvesting, growing your account with the profits, and also withdrawing and making profits that you're using to spend on your lifestyle or to invest in other opportunities. So we just work these programs against each other and play with them and just dive into that big pool of cryptocurrency and Forex currency, all that prosperity, and have the mindset to play with it as an investor and to grow it and live our lifestyle. And also to remember not only are we living our lifestyle, but we're also continue to investing where we continue to grow our money, where we're millionaires, multimillionaires, and even billionaires if we want to be. I know that's a stretch of an imagination, but there are millionaires and multimillionaires and billionaires who are doing the same kind of investing right now. So it's something that's possible and that's doable because there are examples out there and the vehicles can hold that kind of abundance and prosperity. All you have to do is get in there with your mindset, with some action, and make it happen because it will happen. It's happening for us. We're growing our money. There's thousands of people around the world doing the same thing, and you can do it too. Why not you? If they can do, if he can do, she can do, so can you.
Hey,
Oh,
Daryl.
that rhyme. That sound good.
Hey, great. This is great. This is real quick. I wanted to show because I haven't did it yet. You could put this on automatic, which Daryl has.
Oh, that's deep right there.
Daryl has
Automatic.
Daryl has his on automatic. I do it myself because you can make more money. And this is betting. This is arbitrage betting. I like to click this. I like to see the 1.97. I look at which one's the highest.
Mm-hmm.
And I pick this one here because it's 1.97 that I will make. And then I go up here. What happened to my screen? Something I'm missing. Investments. Trying.
Oh, this is go bets here.
I may be too late. No, can't be too late. I don't see where I can. No. Oh, bet now. Here it is. They just changed. It's different. I usually do it from my phone. So click here. Bet here. Click all because I want them all to trade. I'm going to make 669. Bet now. Boom. Okay, now I'm betting on these particular sporting events that's happening this evening. Well, these are 7-3. Those are paid, new ones.
Hey,
And what
good
I like
afternoon.
about somebody's talking. And what I like about this one is that you can come in for, I think, what?
Who is that?
Who is that, bro? Somebody needs to be.
Mm-hmm.
That's William. So what I like about it is that you can, I think it's $20 you can come in, if I remember. But I really like it. My balance is $46. Right here, you can pull out your money on the 5th and 20th of every month.
Okay.
5th and 20th of every month. But if I'm remembering, you can pull out your distributorship money daily, but you're actually betting money the 5th and 20th of every month. I'm trying to figure out the okay. Investment. Go here. Yeah, the minimum is $20. Right. And you're gonna make up the $50 on the $20 contract that you get. The $40 contract, you make up to 100. $60 contract, you make up to 150. So again, it works different, but I really like it because it comes from some reputable people that
Okay.
I'm signed up with, and we like it. Go Best, and this is actually ran by a former sports star, soccer player. It's his company, so he's known. So again, it's another one that we're playing with because they have people behind it, and we're enjoying it. We enjoy the money, but again, we use these for cash flow. We're not trying to build them for 2 and 3 years, and they're going to be here forever because we know that doesn't work. So
Right.
our PAM accounts, our bots, our crypto bots, and coming are we have a managed what do we call it? Staking and liquidity pools in the DeFi, and we have a training coming on how to do it yourself staking and liquidity pools. So those things you can build because that's for long term, and you can cash flow. These are short term, and you can cash flow and build them, but make sure you constantly cash flow. So and you can use these profits to put into your more long term. Okay, so we're having fun with it, and we'll get into it tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have a class or Zoom on just our third party plays that we're doing. So,
Is that
I just
tomorrow at
want
11?
Hmm?
Tomorrow at 11, same
Yes,
time?
yes, we'll
Okay.
break it down, and but we're having fun, making money and having fun, and we want to put people in a position to do the same thing. Joe, you want to end this? We're already at 12:20. With any comment?
Close it up, Dwayne.
Okay, so this training call is officially over. Peace and prosperity.
Peace and prosperity.
Get with the people that invited you to the call, and get with one of our platforms, one of our programs, or everything. Get a coaching session from one of us to see where you're